Hi everyone, this is Philip from Leftover Treasures. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to set up an account on our website in order to participate in bid. This will be a step-by-step video on how to make an account. It's actually pretty easy, but if you're new to auction websites or just buying stuff online in general, this will kind of be a quick tutorial to help you get through this process. So hopefully after you found the desired sale you want, you've read all this information and you come to the realization that, hey, I need an account in order to participate to bid. So let's say you find an item, let's say it's this compound miter saw here, you click the bid button, but it gives you an error message. Now if you're on your mobile device, you'll scroll up a little bit, it'll be above the photo, and you'll say, I need to register to make an account. So you have a few options to register for your account. You can click the login register button, or you can click the my account button. Either one will get you where you need to go. So after you click that button, you'll get taken to this screen right here. If you're an existing customer, you can fill in your login information and log right in. It's also the same on the right side here. If you have Facebook or Google, you click either of these buttons and you'll be ready to bid. But right here in the middle is where we're going to focus on. So you put in your desired username. This is something that you can change later on. We need a valid email address. Put in your password. You want to make it secure enough till it says medium. That should be fine. We do need a valid cell phone number. So I know some people like to put in their landlines. I understand why, but our system sends out text messages, for instance, when your order is ready to be picked up, or any other important information regarding your order or that particular sale. Yeah, we only send out a couple of text messages. It's not really that many. So make sure it's a valid cell phone number, your country of origin, and then after all of the required fields are entered, you click register. And this is what you'll see when you first log in. And if you don't see this, just simply click my account and you'll be taken to what is called your dashboard. So before you start bidding, just make sure a few things are filled out. We have to make sure that, one, your billing and your payment methods are set up. So first go over to your, you just put in your first name, last name. This is how you can change your display name, update your email address. If you want to change your password, you can do that here. Also, if you have any type of social media account, you connect that here for that one-click login. After you do that, make sure you add a payment method. So we need a valid, major credit card or debit, something with a Visa logo or MasterCard. We accept all cards, just as long as it's a valid payment method. You're the only person that has access to this. Any of the administrators or people on the website do not have access to your credit card information. If your account is inactive for longer than 30 days, then your account is automatically deleted just as a security precaution. So after the payment method is put in, you want to add in your billing address. You want to make sure that it matches the credit card you're going to have on file or cards that you have on file. We do offer shipping. This isn't a required field. But we do have, if you are from out of the city, out of the state, or out of the country, and your shipping address is different than your billing, then you would have to fill this in order to take advantage of the shipping. Okay, once you make sure all that information is filled out, your payment methods, your billing address, you should be ready to bid, like we've done here. So we're going to go ahead, and sometimes you have to refresh the page. So we go ahead and bid. And perfect. It says your bid was set, so now your account is ready to go. You're all set up. It's just that easy. If you need any more, if you have any questions, you can always give us a call or a text message to that number there. And thanks for watching.